Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. We're in Beaver, West Virginia today, and if the road noise is going to bother you, I'm sorry. We are right on a major highway. Mainly just wanting to do this video, make sure my camera and everything's okay. Matter of fact, let me make sure that mic's plugged in good. I lost a video last week. The first 19 minutes there was no audio. I'm thinking about voicing over the first little bit of it. I don't know. That's just, I don't know. That just usually, people don't watch those usually. When the mouth and the mouth movements and the audio don't match, people don't watch it. So I don't. And I also got some bad news this morning. My glorious beard's gonna have to go away. Probably the end of October. My skin doctor, which I went and visited this morning, my dermatologist, he wants me to do this chemo cream on my face for a month, starting in November. If I do that, the beard's got to go. Not real excited about that. I've been growing this for a while. It takes a while for me anyway, to fill out and start looking kind of decent. So just now getting there. But anyhow, what are we doing today? Well, apparently I'm rambling. Some of y'all really like that. Some of you don't. Whatever. Working on a furnace. I believe she's going to be a Dometic. I'm going to put the camera over there. I'm going to face the mic away from the road. Hope the road noise is not too bad, but if it is, nothing I can do about it. I can't close the road to work on this camper. So let me move y'all over here and let's see what's going on. The customer's already removed some of the screws, so let's go over and get busy. Not only did he take some of the screws out, he dropped some of them in the gravel, and I just found them. That's pretty remarkable. Of course, they're all going to be stripped out. The ones that are still here, every one of them stripped out. Some monkey's been working on this thing. Let me go put these screws down before I lose them. She is a Dometic. I tried light as soon as I get here. Now we got one blinking light, red light on the board. Dometic furnace, what do you think it is? Well, if you said cell switch, ding, ding, ding. Let me go get a cell switch. Because I keep like 3 of these things in the truck. Man, I need to buy a lottery ticket. I dropped 2 of them screws. They give you new screws when you buy a new cell switch. I dropped those in the gravel, and I found those too. He dropped 2 screws in the gravel. I found them. I dropped 2 screws, found them. That never happens. So the cell switch lives right here. So let's get it out of here real quick. So there is our cell switch. Everything else looks good. They always give you a new plate with the cell switch, and I do change. I always change the mounting plate, because sometimes there's an update to these mounting plates, so I always change those. Let's go ahead and screw the new cell switch to the new mounting plate, mounting bracket, I guess. Mounting bracket, yeah, that's a better word. And oh yeah, we're close to the airport too. So I don't know if any of this video is going to be usable. As far as I know, it doesn't matter how these wires, which wire goes where, but I always just keep them. I keep them oriented the way that I find them. If there's ever been anybody working in here, you don't know whether they're the same as when they built the furnace or what. Now those fit real loose. I'm gonna have to get a pair of pliers and tighten those spade connectors up just a little bit. Tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the switch. Then I'll squeeze the ring terminals. That's not uncommon for those terminals to loosen up. I think the newer switches might just have thinner spades on them. I don't know. I know one thing, I love it when they put the access door on these things. Sure make it a breeze to work on. You can do just about anything you need to do to this furnace from right here, within reason. Oh yeah, I didn't let y'all listen to it, what it was doing before. When the cell switch is bad, the fan comes on, and but it never tries to ignite. Fan stays on maybe 15-20 seconds, and then shuts off, and then you get the blinking light on the board. So let's see. Let's see what happens now. You do have to stick the flue back in there, just a little bit. I can turn it off here with the reset. Oh, I didn't have to. Or I just barely touched it. One. See if she lights up now. Alright, still says it's an airflow issue. Well, that's strange. So I guess we're gonna have to change. Let's see, well, I need to go inside first and make sure he doesn't have all of his furnace grates covered over with rugs or something. I'm sorry about that road noise. Make sure there is no airflow restrictions, and who knows, I could have got a bad cell switch. I'm just gonna go in and look at the registers, make sure they're open, then we'll actually start testing. So y'all hang on. All right, I went in and checked the registers. They're all good. They're all open, so there should not actually be an airflow issue, because that code says it's airflow / limit switch problem. So, like I say, we verified that it's not an airflow issue. So got my multimeter out. let's go ahead and make sure we're getting power through our cell switch. We are not getting power to one side, but not power to the other side. So we either got a bad cell switch. I mean, I guess it's a bad cell switch. Now I don't see the cell switch moving in there. Maybe it's just physically hung up. Let me pull it back out of there real quick and see. Because you can see the cell switch in there. Let me cut it back on again. Yeah, I don't see the cell switch moving. The paddle. Everything looks okay. While I got the switch out, we'll close the switch and see if she lights. Yeah. Here, lit right up. I don't know. Oh, it went right back out too. There might be a little air in the lines, in the gas lines. Should relight. See how long it burns this time. It's gonna stay lit. I just tweaked that blade on that cell switch ever so slightly. Like this one's actually tweaked just a little bit to catch more air. Let me put the screws back in it because it did light and go back out again. I don't know what that's all about. Let me put the screws back in there and see what it does now. Well, let's see what happens this time. The switch closed. It should stay lit. Lit right up. Smells good. But it went back out again. I don't know what that's all about. See if it faults out after 3 tries here. Some of these furnaces just do strange things. I mean, no rhyme or reason. Now it's staying lit. I don't know. I hate working on furnaces because they just do weird things. Well, I'm gonna let that thing burn for a little bit, watch it. It's still burning over there. Yeah, like I say, I hate working on furnaces because they do weird things, strange things. Don't y'all do weird, strange things? Get down in that comment section. Leave me a comment, a criticism, concern, and yes, I'm gonna leave that cell switch in there because the other one wasn't working either, but such a high failure rate on them cell switches, I'm not gonna take the new one out and put an old one back in there. So yeah, it is what it is. Anybody out there have experience with the using the chemo cream on your face? Is anything I need to watch out for? Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? My dermatologist's been trying to talk me into that for 2 years. He froze a bunch of places on my face today, and he's like, you got to do the chemo cream. I'm like, dude, I don't want to shave my glorious beard. So I don't know. You let me know if you have any experience. I'm going to experience some lunch here in a few minutes, and then I'm probably going to go fix another one. So y'all have a great day.